Hello and welcome to the Handyman's World, the right place for quick and easy fixes. Today we're dealing with shelves installation, so let's stop talking and start working. Here we are. The task is to mount two shelves like this on the back wall. Let's go to work. With this pencil I marked the spot on the wall where the shelf will go. I did this because the wall will be painted. If you are not painting, just skip this step. I took the self-tapping screw and I placed it in the hole. Then I lined up the mark with the shelf bracket corner like this. And with a screwdriver I pushed the screw to mark the drilling spot. Perfect, that's my mark. And let's drill. The anchor I'll use is size 5 mm. So I attached a 5 mm bit to the drill. And now I'll drill the wall. This drill has drill and hammer function. I'll start with the drill mode and switch to the hammer function if the wall is too hard. Let's turn on the vacuum cleaner and begin. Home problem? Fix it fast and save cash. Subscribe now and hit the bell to get the solutions you need. The Handyman's World, no problems, only solutions. Okay, here's the hole we made. Let's check if the anchor fits. Perfect, let's mount the first part of the shelf. Now with the level, we'll make the shelf perfectly horizontal. Line up the bubble between the two marks. Once it's straight, mark the wall. And then let's drill the second hole. And let's test the anchor. Okay, now we can mount the shelf. Great, the first shelf is up. Now let's do the other one. And here are both shelves installed. As always, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next tutorial.